Tofu Scramble is a delicious and nutritious plant-based alternative to scrambled eggs, offering a hearty breakfast that's packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Made from crumbled tofu, this dish is a fantastic option for vegans, vegetarians, or anyone seeking to reduce their animal product intake while still enjoying a protein-rich meal. One of the most significant advantages of tofu scramble is its high protein content. Tofu, made from soybeans, is considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes tofu a valuable protein source, especially for those on plant-based diets. Protein is essential for numerous bodily functions, including muscle repair, immune system support, and enzyme production. A tofu scramble can provide the protein needed to keep you energized throughout the morning and support muscle maintenance, particularly when combined with veggies and other healthy ingredients. Beyond protein, tofu scramble is also a rich source of important vitamins and minerals. Tofu is particularly high in calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth, and it often comes fortified with additional nutrients like vitamin B12, a nutrient primarily found in animal products. If you choose a fortified variety, tofu can be an excellent way to ensure you're meeting your vitamin B12 needs on a plant-based diet. Additionally, tofu is a good source of iron, an essential mineral that helps in the production of hemoglobin and supports healthy circulation. Tofu's versatility makes it a great base for adding a wide variety of vegetables and seasonings. Popular additions to tofu scramble include sautéed onions, bell peppers, spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes, all of which contribute extra fiber, antioxidants, and micronutrients. These vegetables not only enhance the flavor and texture of the scramble, but also increase the nutritional value of the dish. For example, leafy greens like spinach are rich in vitamins A and K, which support eye health and bone strength, while bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Seasoning the tofu scramble with spices like turmeric, nutritional yeast, and garlic powder can elevate the dish's flavor profile while providing additional health benefits. Turmeric, for instance, contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while nutritional yeast adds a cheesy flavor and provides a boost of B vitamins, particularly B12, which is crucial for energy production. Garlic powder can further enhance the flavor while also offering antimicrobial properties that support immune health. Another notable benefit of tofu scramble is that it's naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol-free, making it a heart-healthy option compared to traditional scrambled eggs. The heart-healthy fats in tofu come from polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. As a plant-based dish, tofu scramble is also rich in fiber, which contributes to digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of gastrointestinal issues like constipation. Fiber can also help regulate blood sugar levels and contribute to a feeling of fullness, making it a great choice for weight management. While tofu scramble is an incredibly nutritious meal, it's essential to be mindful of the ingredients you add to it. Although tofu itself is low in calories, adding too many high-calorie ingredients, such as oils or excess salt, can quickly turn the dish into a less healthy option. Opting for a small amount of healthy oils, such as olive oil or avocado oil, for sautéing vegetables can provide additional healthy fats without adding unnecessary calories. It's also a good idea to limit the amount of salt or soy sauce used in the seasoning to avoid overloading on sodium, which could contribute to high blood pressure or other health issues when consumed in excess. For a well-rounded meal, consider pairing tofu scramble with a whole grain, such as whole wheat toast, quinoa, or brown rice. These complex carbohydrates will provide additional fiber and energy, creating a more satisfying and balanced breakfast that keeps you full for longer. You can also add a serving of fruit on the side for a boost of natural sugars, vitamins, and antioxidants, rounding out the meal with additional nutrients that support overall health. In summary, tofu scramble is an excellent breakfast choice that offers a wealth of plant-based nutrition. Packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it's a versatile and satisfying meal that can be easily customized to suit your tastes and dietary preferences. Whether you're looking for a protein-packed vegan breakfast or simply want a healthier alternative to traditional scrambled eggs, tofu scramble provides a delicious and nutrient-dense option. By incorporating a variety of vegetables and seasonings, you can enhance the flavor and maximize the health benefits of this hearty dish. Just be mindful of your portion sizes and seasoning choices to ensure the dish remains balanced and supports your long-term health goals.